this little ebony strip I put in there to bring it up close to the sound hole edge. And the rosette looks fine, no problem. There's no distortion around the edge of the sound hole, it's smooth. You can see a little white in here and a little white in there, and there it hasn't dried yet. You can see that around the sound hole the tap guard goes, the tap plate goes this way, and then on the outside, and then down around this way to the edge of the bridge. Right here is where the top opened up, and I had to redo that, and I put a cleat about right here that straightened it out, but I couldn't get back here, but then again it was it hadn't opened up yet. I tried to seal this and this and this, but it may open up because the French polish, it naturally isn't going to cover it for a while. And there's one right here, just right there, but right here, from here to right here, the whole bottom block came loose. So I put some crazy glue in here and just clamped it down as best I could and brought it in this way, as much as I could without cracking the top or the sides. There was, looked like there was a piece here. There was a crack here that you won't be able to see too much. That's sealed pretty well. The fingerboard, I had to scrape most of the stuff off of the fingerboard, and I put oil on it, and then I made a new nut here. And this hasn't been completed yet, but I'll do it when I'll finish off the nut and the saddle. Notice I smoothed out the saddle quite a bit, and we'll see how that comes. This piece right here, it shows up as being a crack for sure, but it's sealed permanently, I think, with that block inside the top. So there shouldn't be a problem there. That's primarily the color and the finish is okay on the top. I have yet to completely, polish out the finish, but everything looks pretty good. Okay.